Hello YouTube, my name is Paulo Torres and the device I made is a radio.
Radios are everywhere. There's not 1 second when a radio's not being used.
Radios are used to give people information about
Weather, traffic, and news around the world. Radios are also used to listen to music that people want to listen to.
Now I will talk about the radio that I have created. My radio consists of an antenna, capacitors, which are these little brown things, resistors, and transistors, which are these little black things here. It also consists of an FM tuner circuit underneath and an earphone here. Now I will talk about how my radio actually works.
So, there are thousands of invisible radio waves traveling through the air. We only want a specific one.
So what happens first is the tuning knob here, which can be adjusted, is used to create the frequency that we are looking for.
This determines what station we're going to hear.
Once the station is chosen, the antenna receives these specific radio waves and it runs through this complex circuit powered by a 9-volt battery which is connected to the battery snap here.
The antenna then creates a weak electric signal, which we don't want. We want a strong electric signal.
So my radio has the transistors that amplify the signal and turn it into a strong electric signal.
These waves then go through the FM tuner, which I showed you underneath, which converts these waves into voltage and creates current. This current then travels through the entire circuit.
Capacitors are needed, which are these brown things that I showed you before, are needed because the voltage is very high and must be lowered, and the resistors are needed because the current created is too large for the radio to handle. The entire circuit is connected using conducting wires and metal springs which are scattered throughout the circuit. At the end of the circuit there is an earphone here that I showed you before, which converts the electrical energy into audible sound waves so that we are able to hear it and listen to some radio.